Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Straight out of the Jamaica Observer. The United States Customs and Border Protection Agency said on Tuesday that agents from its air and marine operation and the U.S. federal partners seized about 500,000 US dollars in undeclared currency after stopping a vessel that was heading to the Bahamas for a outbound inspection near Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Somebody is hurting right now. $500,000 down. Or this could just be a decoy. Did they really get $500,000 or did they get $1 million and they turned in $500,000? Or the person who is sending this amount of money can actually afford to lose $500,000 because $50 million just went through. I'm just saying, think about it. So CBP said that the Fort Lauderdale Marine Unit, Miami Marine Unit, and the Miami Air and Marine Branch multi-role enforcement aircraft crew stopped the vessel and coordinated with the U.S. Homeland Security and Drug Enforcement Administration, which is the DEA, during the vessel's inspection. A K9, doggy, good job. A K9 alerted to the center console during a search of the vessel. A dog found all this, where agents discovered the currency in the lining of a cooler and laundry detergent boxes. Air and Marine operations work closely with law enforcement partners to provide unparalleled domain awareness in the air and maritime environment. That means covering their borders over land and sea. Something that many Jamaicans like myself have said that Jamaica needs to step its game up in doing. However, in the meantime that they lapse in this area, apparently many people are taking advantage of this and are getting rich. As you know, or if you did not know, Jamaica is a transient point. Because of its location, goods can be shipped from other South American countries through Jamaica, then off into the bigger market for the rest of the world, off into UK, off into the USA, etc., etc. The Bahamas is no different. Those waters around the Bahamas, that's some very busy waters. And not only is it some very busy waters, there's a lot of money going back and forth in them waters. A lot of drugs too. Don't take my word for it. Just go do your own research on Google. You can type in U.S. Customs agents seize or bust drugs in Bahamian waters or in the Bahamas. And you will see pictures and video clips and all that stuff. Now, with approximately 1,800 federal agents and mission support personnel, 240 aircrafts, and 300 marine vessels operating throughout the United States, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, all in those waters, AMO conducts its mission in the air and maritime environment, which is on the water, at and beyond their own borders, and within the nation's interior as well. Everybody knows that. You've seen the DEA agent kicking doors in. They also work on the waters, and they also work closely with those who work in the air as well. In 2020, CBP said that AMO enforcement actions resulted in the seizure or disruption of, get this, because some people think this is some small time operation, right? 194,000 pounds of cocaine were seized. This is in 2020 alone. 194,000 pounds of cocaine. 278,000 pounds of marijuana. Over 278,000. And 15,985 pounds, over 15,000 pounds of methamphetamine, 952 weapons, and get this part, 51.5 million US dollars in cash. So it's not far-fetched what I said at the beginning of the video, right? When I said whoever lost this 500,000, it looks big. I'm thinking maybe they found $1 million, split up $500,000 between a team, hold that for your retirement days, and turn in 500,000. I don't know. My grandfather was a police officer for many years, and he said that that's one of the rules that they normally went by. I don't know if they still do it, but they used to do it in his time, which was if you found $100, you split it. 50 goes to evidence, 50 goes to the team. That's how they did it. So I'm just guessing and speculating, not factual. However, given the information that they have released, how much they have confiscated in just 2020 alone, 51.5 million US dollars in cash. That's to tell you that there are people out there who $500,000 is nothing to them. This is about a war going on for those waters and that airspace. When I said they're playing that land in Jamaica recently, I'm saying land and those airspace, especially on those waters. Busy set of waters. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. It's SouFLoTV, Bahamas, Jamaica. Shout out to my whole Caribbean island, man. Me no know what I want, but I'm looking and I'm seeing and I'm sharing. I'm out. Peace.